Namaskar. A warm welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel CA Sansar. Myself CA Vivek Khurana, and today we will discuss on a very important topic. I have received many queries whether a CA in practice can do the derivative transaction. Means whether a CA in practice can trade into the future or the option. So before going to start, my request to all of you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever we upload the new video, you will get it notified. So let's discuss whether a chartered accountant who are into the practice can trade into the future or the option like the derivative transaction. What's the view of ICAI? Ethical Standard Board of ICAI says derivative transaction, your future and options and others, is not in the nature of investment. Key trading in derivative transaction is not in the nature of investment, but it's in the nature of business. Remember the word business or occupation other than the profession of chartered accountant, and it covers in the clause 11 of part 1 of the first schedule of Chartered Accountant Act 1949. Means trading into the future or option, it's not like the investment कि जैसे आप शेयर में इन्वेस्ट करते हो, it's like a business or occupation and will cover in the clause 11 of part 1 of the first schedule. Now let's see clause 11 क्या कहते हैं. Clause 11 says, Clause 11 of Part 1 of the first schedule of the Chartered Accountant Act 1949. A chartered accountant in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he engage in any business or occupation other than the profession of chartered accountant unless permitted by the council so to engage. Means यू विल बी डीम टू बी गिल्टी अगर आप डेरिवेटिव ट्रांजैक्शन में डील करते हैं फ्यूचर और ऑप्शन, और साथ में ये भी लिखे अनलेस परमिटेड बाय द काउंसिल सो टू एंगेज. एंड दिस trading in derivative transaction is also not covered into the regulation 190A of the Chartered Accountant Regulation 1988 as amended from time to time. वहां पे कुछ जर्नल स्पेसिफिक परमिशन अवेलेबल है, बट ट्रेडिंग इन डेरिवेटिव ट्रांजैक्शन फ्यूचर ऑप्शन इट्स आल्सो नॉट कवर्ड. सो अगर आपको ट्रेडिंग करनी है डेरिवेटिव ट्रांजैक्शन में इन फ्यूचर ऑप्शन, देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर द प्रायर स्पेसिफिक परमिशन फ्रॉम द काउंसिल, एंड दिस प्रायर परमिशन इज नॉट फॉर ऑल. दिस इज इंडिविजुअल बेसिस एंड पर्सन टू पर्सन. तो अगर आपको डेरिवेटिव ट्रांजैक्शन में अगर आप कोई डील कर रहे हैं, यू हैव टू गो फॉर द स्पेसिफिक परमिशन फ्रॉम द काउंसिल ऑफ ICAI, एंड अगर आप नहीं लेते देन यू विल बी डीम्ड टू बी गिल्टी एज पर क्लोज 11 of part 1 of first schedule of the Chartered Accountant Act. And this clause is applicable for the chartered accountant in practice and not for the chartered accountant. Means who are into the job or who are not into the practice, उनके ऊपर applicable नहीं है. This is only for the chartered accountant in practice. So thank you very much. We will try to bring some more video on the code of ethics, some important topic. So till then, bye bye. And once again, my request to all of you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that जब भी हम नया वीडियो अपलोड करें आपके पास इमीडिएटली नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगी. सो टिल देन, थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स अ लॉट.